Hi, my name is Jennifer Wilson, and I'm going to be your instructor this semester for statistics. Our class is fully online with live meetings. We'll meet on Monday and Wednesday mornings from 9:30 to 10:45 via Zoom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access our Zoom meetings and show you around our course just a little bit. And then when we meet in class on the first day, I'll show you some more about our Blackboard site and more about our course policies. Let's get started. So, to start with, you're going to go to Blackboard and you'll see a list of all the courses you're taking. Our course is MAT17735, so you'll click on it. You may have a list view instead, in which case it'll look like this and you'll find MAT77-35 because that's our course. Now, I have it in student preview mode, that's why that's on the top. Whenever you go into our course site, the first thing that you'll see is statistics content. It'll always take you to the content section, and that's where you're going to find a new weekly module rolled out every week. So when you click into the module, you'll see what you're doing this week. There will always be an overview, and you can either click down on the table of contents or over here on the right-hand side to get to the next page. So after the weekly overview, first we have introductory materials and there's instructions. So before the start of class on 9/7, which is our first meeting, I want you to watch the introductory video. Here you are, and print or access the syllabus and the course map and read them. And then you'll see attached files for those items. There will be a discussion that you'll need to complete by the end of the week, and then chapter materials. So the chapter materials header right here will always have instructions. So we're going to print and access our 1.1 and 1.2 notes before class on Wednesday. And then by the end of the week, we're going to do the homework for that after we've learned about it in class. And then you're going to view the 1.3 guided notes and PowerPoint recordings. Where do I find these? Well, you can click on the 1.1 notes here and you can see the PowerPoint that we'll use in classes there, but you need to print the guided notes. You'll click on that file and then you'll print it out or you'll access it. You can write on it if you have a tablet or something. And it'll be the same for the 1.2 guided notes. You can see the guided notes right here. That's the file you'll click on to access, and that will go along with our lecture. For section 1.3, you'll be doing on your own after class. There are directions here for how to access the PowerPoint. The PowerPoint and the notes are both attached. So every week you will access the statistics content area, click into the week that we're in, and you'll read those directions before the start of our class. So you are prepared. Say you get to a different section of our Blackboard site, you can always get back to the content by pressing statistics content on the left sidebar. The most important thing you'll need to know for Wednesday though is how are you going to access our meeting? Once you're in our Blackboard site, you'll go to the left sidebar and you'll click Zoom. Here it says Meet with Professor Wilson. You're going to click Join. Now note, you have to be an authenticated user to get in, so you have to be logged into your account via Blackboard. And here we are. Once you click that, you should log into Zoom. And then you'll want to, I would encourage you to keep your video camera on. So that's optional, but you always want to mute when you log in. So you want to do that for 9:30 in the morning on Wednesday so we can join each other for class. The final item that you'll want to do before the start of class is to register on Pearson MyLab. To do that, you are going to follow page 3 on your syllabus. So we have our syllabus here, and on page 3 of your syllabus, there are directions in this box for accessing MyLab Stat. The most important thing you'll see here is a code. You're going to click into one of the links in our Pearson folder. On the left sidebar, you'll click Pearson MyLab, and you can click any of the 1, 2, 3, 4 links that you see on the top here, and you'll be prompted to log in. If you have a Pearson account already, log into your Pearson account. Otherwise, you'll create one. But then you're eventually going to follow the prompts and you'll be asked for a code. That code is what you see in purple here. You want to do that as soon as possible so that we know if there's an issue or not. So now you know how to get into Blackboard, you know how to get on to Zoom for our meeting, and you have your instructions for connecting with Pearson MyLab, which will be used for quizzes, homeworks and tests, and even our final exam in this course. Those are the most important things for you to have done before we meet on Wednesday, September 7th at 9:30 in the morning. And then when we meet at that time, we'll go over more of the course details. Until that time, you can feel free to email me. My email is located in the syllabus, or you can click Contact Professor on the left sidebar here. And I can't wait to meet you. Have a good night.